ZW3D 2023 added pulley and universal joint constraints and added motor function in assembly animation. First, let's look at the pulley constraints. In pulley constraint, we can adjust the pulley parameters and constraint settings. We click on the cylindrical surfaces of the two pulleys respectively, and we can see that the belt path is automatically generated. Check length driven and set the value. Pulley position varies with belt length. After completing the constraints, the pulley node and pulley sketch are generated in the assembly structure tree. Click pulley command again. Enable thickness. Belt thickness varies with value. Check generate belt parts. A pulley part will be generated in the pulley node. Pulley restraint complete. Assemble new universal joint constraints. Click the mechanical constraints command and select the universal joint. Take variable velocity as an example. Constraining the inner joint short fork and universal joint fork B. Constraining the outer joint short fork and universal joint fork A. Universal joint constraint complete. ZW3D added a motor function to assembly animation. Click on New Animation. Add motor. Set the direction of rotation of the inner joint short fork, speed time, and rotation speed. Set the end time to 5 seconds. Set the outer joint short fork in the same way. Complete the motor animation of gimbal mechanism.